Good morning, children. The topic at the high school is a part of my experiment with truth by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Is that a biography or autobiography? Is that a biography or an autobiography? An autobiography. That means he wrote the important past events of his life which were noteworthy. अर्थात तांकर जो सत्य सहित प्रयोग चलता सत्यर प्रयोग चलता से अतीत जो सब घटना घटी जीवनर से कथा से मन पकई लिखुं. दैट मीन्स ही गिव्स ए डिटेल्स ऑफ हिज पास्ट लाइफ. व्हिच टेंस इज रिक्वायर्ड टू एक्सप्रेस पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस और पास्ट इवेंट्स? Obviously, past tense. Past tense may be past simple, past progressive, past perfect, or past perfect progressive. Here is a part of your text. It is in paragraph number 3, your from topic at the high school. Look at the sentences, read them, and you have to do one thing. You have to tell me, you have to do two things. One, you will underline the past simple sentences or verbs in past simple form, and you have to circle the verbs in past perfect. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
You are to underline the past simple verbs and you are to circle the past perfect verbs. Ready? Shall we begin?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me. Happened. Underline. Next. Had. Underline. Next. Had. Underline. Next. Deceived. What shall I do? Circle. Underline. Next. Reached. Circle. Underline. Next. Had all left. Underline. Circle. Okay. Circle. Next. Found. Circle. Underline. Next. Marked. Circle. Underline. Next. Being asked for the reason thereof, reason of absence. This is non-finite verb. That is a non-finite clause that you do not need to underline. Next. Told. Underline. Next. Had happened. Had happened. Okay. Refused. Underline. Ordered. Underline. Good. So now the verb having only one form, the verb phrase with a single verb is past simple, but the verb phrase with a double verb is past simple. Okay? Past simple. Past simple. Past simple. Past simple. But past perfect, past simple, past simple, past perfect. Okay, this is past simple and again past simple and past simple. Okay. So in past simple there is only one verb, but in past perfect there are two verbs. Let us write the sentences with the two verbs or two verb phrases. One, what is the first one? Yes, before I reached the school, before I reached the school, comma, the boys had all left. The second one is, I told him what had happened. Okay? Now, please tell me, these are two actions. One, two. In these two phrases, clauses, tell me which action took place first? Which action took place first? First action. And this is the second action. And what about this sentence? Which is the first action? Had happened. Had happened. First action. This is the second action. So this first action is called earlier past. Earlier past. माने बेसी अतीत. Second action is recent past. Recent past. This is longer past. This is shorter past. माने recent past. Again, in the second example, this is the earlier action. This is the earlier action. And this is the latter action or earlier past. Action or past. This is latter action or recent past. Okay? So tell me, which tense form is used to express earlier action or recent past? Earlier action or action took place in the longer past. This is past perfect. To indicate past, we use had, and to indicate perfect, we use past participle form, or that is ed or en form. Some people say it third form of the verb. Some say, but that is not more appropriate. Let us say ed or en form. Okay? And for second action or recent past, we use past simple form. If it is the verb is go, it is went. If the verb is play, it is played. If the verb is write, it is wrote. Okay? Have you understood? Okay. Now children, look at this diagram. This is the diagram that expresses the timeline. It is the timeline. Okay? Nobody knows when time started. Nobody knows when it will come to an end. Okay? So, this is now point or present time, this is before now or past time, and this is after now or future time. An autobiography usually talks about which time? Present, past or future? Past time, exactly. So, Gandhiji, when he wrote his experiment with the truth, or this part of that textbook or that book, he looked towards the past time, and he indicated therein some past events that are nearer to present time or recent past, and the actions that were more that were longer or latter, that means not recent, I mean longer past, that is double past or earlier action, earlier past. Okay? So, if I say this is P1, this is P2, माने first action or earlier past, recent past or latter action. Because you mark the length of this straight line or ray is shorter than this one. Okay? P1 is longer than P2 or P2 is shorter than P1. That means this is recent past and this is earlier past. For expressing recent past, we use past simple. Take for example, did. I did it. This is recent past. But if I say this one, then it is had done. I had done it. That means earlier past. That means this action took earlier than this action. Okay? For recent past, we use past simple, past simple. And for earlier action, we use past perfect. Past perfect means had plus ed form by past participle. And for past simple, there is only one form, that is the past form of the verb, the second form of the verb. Okay? Look at this example. Read this sentence and tell me which is what. You have to tell me where to use these two verbs or verb phrases. For 1805, which is the verb appropriate, and for 1810, which verb is appropriate? 1805, hard left. For 1810, reached. I think you have understood the main idea. That means the train left the station at 18:05 and the speaker reached the station at 18:10 or 10 past 18. Okay? The speaker reached the station 10 past 18, but the train had already left at 5 minutes past 8. Okay. Now look at the activity. Children, look at example number 1. All guests had arrived before the party started. That means guests arrived first, then the party started. Look at this. All guests arrived before the party started. Who can tell me what type of sentence is it? Who can tell me? Is it simple, compound, or complex?
Complex sentence.
It's a complex sentence. How do you know? Yes? Yes. Before is a subordinator. And where there is a subordinator, there is a complex sentence, or that is a complex sentence. Good. So, can you tell me the other subordinators in these examples? What is the subordinator in question number 2? After. Number 3? When. Number 4? Before. Number 5? After. Yes. Number 6? Before. Good. Okay, tell me. Now, number 2. The verb is sit for lunch after mother fry the eggs. Who can tell me which action took place first? Which action took place first? Do you sit for lunch first, or does your mother cook food first? Yes? No. Which action took place first? Mother first, mother fried the eggs, or mother fried the eggs first. Mother fried the eggs. So, what shall we do then? Which verb is appropriate for fry? Fried or had fried? We know that the first action is earlier past, so it takes past perfect, and the latter action or recent past takes past simple. Okay? So, what is the answer then? Hard fried. Good. This is hard fried. Good. And this one? Sit becomes sat. So the answer is, we sat for lunch after mother had fried the eggs. Number 3, when Mahatma Gandhi passed away, India achieved her freedom. Did Gandhi die first, or did India become independent first?
India became independent.
Who can tell me how long did Gandhi enjoy Indian freedom? Who can say how long did Gandhi enjoy Indian freedom? महात्मा गांधी भारतीय स्वाधीनता को एंजॉय करि पारिथिले ना करि पार नथिले? करि पारथिले. हाउ लॉन्ग? Yes, less than half a year. So India became independent first, then Gandhi died. Then what shall we do? India achieved her freedom first. Then what shall be the answer? Had achieved. Good. Had achieved. Next. In Mahatma Gandhi passed out. Passed away. Next. The train leave before they reach the station. Which action took place first? The train left first. The train left first. Then they reached the station. ताले को आंसर कौन होगा? Hard left. Good. This one reached. Next, Namrata post the letter after she write it. Do we write letters first or do we post the letters first? So, Namrata write na wrote the letter first. Namrata wrote the letters first. Then she posted. So this right becomes yes, hard written. Say written na tin. Written tin. Okay, tin. Namrata posted. The letter, posted the letter after she had written it. Next, number 6. The patient died before the doctor come. Which action took place first? The patient died first. The patient died first. Then the doctor came. So the patient had died. And here come becomes came. Okay. Now look at number 7. The farmer plough the field before he sow seeds. Which one took place first? First the farmer ploughed the field. In the field. Okay. Then what should be the answer? Had ploughed. Okay. Had ploughed. Next, sowed. Okay. Sowed माने बुणिबा. Okay. Next, the prizes be given, passive form hochi. Be given, be give long before the cultural programs start. Do you remember your annual function, school annual function? Do you receive prizes first or do you enjoy the cultural program first? Prizes first. Then the prizes were given. First the prizes were given, then the cultural program started. So this be given becomes had been given. The cultural program started. Okay. Are you all clear? Have you understood? Good. Let's see some more examples. Okay? Now look at another activity for you. The thatched house was no longer there. It dashed into a nice building. Who can say? It had changed. Yes. It had changed into a nice building. Next. The old gate was not there. It had broken down. Good. The headmaster was not there. He had retired. Okay? The hostel building was not there. It had collapsed in the storm. We could not recognize the teachers. Their hair had turned grey. The school dash changed a lot. Had changed. Okay? Very good.